পিছনে থাকে আমি যাত্রায়।
আমরা কুয়েত চলে আসলাম ট্রানজিটে। We are arriving here at Kuwait. Hi. So we have arrived Kuwait. It is duty-free shop. Our next flight towards Medina. It's KU 791. I think D4.
KU 117.
No, gate will not open yet. Yeah, 71791.
Gate open.
D5
D1
is our next departure. Is McCafe, McDonald's McCafe.
She actually knows the things we like and hate. She thinks about it.
What nothing? You just want to complain. That's it.
Our gate is right side, as it is D5, so we'll not go there right now. So departure gate is only available on the first floor, so you have to firstly arrived through the aircraft, then you have to go through the checking process, and then you can transfer only for the connecting flights. And this is checking it. I think all the restaurants, facilities, duty-free shop are in the ground floor. So similar type of experience we have in different airports, but I think it's not a big one. Yeah, so Steakhouse Cafe, Al Rifai Roastery, Del Monte, and McDonald's. Perfume and cosmetics, Kuwait duty free shop. Outside of the airport. Good morning from Kuwait. This is Mamun. Right now the local time is 8:30 AM. Very much near to the departure gate of next flight. You can see toilets for women toilet for special needs and toilet for men. So washroom for male. You can see the washrooms. Very tiny and tissues. No odor. So you cannot smoke here. You cannot. Please don't wash your feet here. Green mark means it's unoccupied, and red marks means it's occupied. Different place for Oju. You can wadu here. It's for prayer. So we have purchased this water. Right now we are going to our restaurants to have some meal before our next flight. So this is 180 BDT in price. So we'll have some meal at McDonald's in Kuwait International Airport. I think there is some pre-order something. There is some counter you can order yourself, buy yourself at McDonald's. You already purchased some meal. You can choose yourself, pay yourself by your card, and take the meal as well. To start English, eat in. There is different type of menu. You can select. So our order, you can see the slip here, our order, and order number is 2749. You can check into the monitor whether your order is ready to take out or taking a place in table. So you can see Starbucks here as well. You can see a lot of branches in Japan. So here is the Starbucks. My wife is there. She is trying to order something. So different type of coffee.
Much better. Iced coffee now.
Here is our coffee. We take 220 KD, that is near about 800 something. 800 something. So here is our meal for the breakfast. 2.2 KD and 2.8 KD. You can see the top view from the escalator. So many shops are available here. Kuwait duty-free shops. We'll see how many things are available here. Just moving around. Perfume, cosmetics. So our gate has been changed. D9 now. Candyland, you'll get various kind of candy, chocolates, cookies, all are available here. Just need to check what type of things you want to buy. In the ground floor, our departure gate is upstairs through D gates. Types of juice, water. I've seen this avian in Japan. Have some expense in IVA. Tea, coffee, dates, Nido confectionery finery. Different kind of tobacco, cigarettes, smoking materials in Kuwait International Airport. Here is another Starbucks in the ground floor. So, best-selling books. Different types of items, travel items, leisure items, some souvenirs for Kuwait, toy, best-selling book items, all are in Arabic, I think. Some English also available here. I don't know which one I should be focused. And last but not the least, some chill drinks, cold drinks and other drinks. So with the sitting arrangement, you can charging your cell phone as well. You can use also other device through this plug point. So some donation for Kuwait Red Crescent Society. So we are approaching towards Gate Nong D9. Gate Nong D9. Our flight, next flight towards Medina from Kuwait. KU 791. Yeah, 791 towards Medina. KU 791. So this is D9. And this is our next flight towards Medina from Kuwait International Airport. So this is our next flight towards Medina. The aircraft is already here. We'll go through this way, just waiting for the boarding that has been started very soon. We are going towards again to the aircraft through this tunnel. So it's a 2 hour 5 minutes journey. Yet we have to go through some process.